And Lord knows that this love has taken toll. I've given all of my love to this broken home. So why don't you lose yourself for me? Why don't you lose yourself for me? What is it that your eyes don't see? Why don't you lose yourself for me? It won't work if it don't make sense at all. I'm so lost that I can't see through the fold. The same stains that were left from the cherry wine, the same stains that I wish we could both rewind. Did you notice that the feeling